We have these jobs which have been provided, which were supposed to be applying. But it is pathetic, it is impertinacious to note that as per now, we have those civil servants who have been employed by the government. We even have officers who are earning salaries, but they have even requested for leaves come August to run back to the villages and apply for the same jobs that a student who has just left Form 4 is going to apply. Most of these, among these 2.3 million university students, a very low percentage is going to get these jobs. Because you go to the villages, allocation needs only 10 people. And 100 people have applied, and out of these 100 people, 50 or 60 are people who finished campus long time ago, and they're in various job opportunities in this country. Let any student who has applied for this job be given the offer, and let them serve this country from the beginning. Let us not be put in a state of unequal equilibrium, whereby we are going to compare a second-year student, a first-year student, with a person who has done masters and PhD, who is competing for the same job. Let me call upon the National Youth Employment Authority to take up the mantle it has been given in the Youth Employment Bill, which was constituted by Honorable Sakaja, and let them come out clearly and save the future by safeguarding the youth through exercising their powers as outlined in the Kenyan Constitution, which I'm going to quote Clause 9, Part 1 of it, which says, beginning of quote, counseling of the youth and similar activities to improve the absorption of the youth in employment and promote the development of the youth.